What's up, guys? Wanted to make a quick video about my chat room really quick. I wanted to show you guys. Um, so this morning, let's see. Every morning, I'm letting my crew know, rise and shine. It's time to shine, right? So, as you can see, that is around 9:20. Right around 9:20 every morning. It only takes me about 10 minutes until the bell rings for me to know what I need to trade. So it takes me 10 minutes to figure out, actually less than 10 minutes. By 9:27, as you can see down here a little bit, by 9:27, 9:28, I'm normally telling people what I'm looking at, and they basically already understand the strategy, so they already know that they are going to be jumping in at go time. So everyone knows the strategy, which is go time, my go time strategy. So now, these are the two stocks I'm looking at, EKSO and APVO. Obviously, I like EKSO, so that's why I put it up there first. APVO is secondary. So 928, that's when I post that. As you can see, 932, I'm telling them I haven't made a trade yet, no trades yet, just watching EKSO, but it's dropping hard. So I'm watching it as it's dropping. Um, so as I'm watching it, now this is, what time frame is this? This is 932. So now then it started popping up, and as you can see, right around 9:35, it went through a halt. So Mike made a small profit before it went into the halt, and he's saying, he should have held longer. Small profit on ESKO, he should have held a little bit longer. I'm telling them I hate holding through the halts, but the first halt normally opens higher. Um, Boom. At 9:38, I'm taking profits. By 9:38, I basically already hit my daily goal, right? So I hit my daily goal already. By 9:39, that's when I'm typing that. Um, Now I'm watching for a pullback. So if you understand the strategy, we have three different entry points. And so I'm waiting for the second entry point, and then the next one right here at 9:42, you can see I'm letting people know 662 would be the next entry. Okay, this candle didn't go above 662. So now the next candle, I'm telling people, okay, 646 would be the next entry, right? So now the candle is still dropping. Now I'm letting people know 621 would be my next entry. And then obviously that candle got filled and it did not explode as I thought it would. So now I took a small loss of 2 cents right there. So now it's below my go time, and I am no longer interested in this stock. And as you can see, I ended up with a total of 40 cents. I took on ESKO. I am done for the day. Um, Catch all on the run. I'm gone. So that's it. I mean, I started at the first post was basically at 9:20. It took me about 7 or 8 minutes to figure out what I'm going to trade. Now, that 9:30, the bell rings. By 9:46, I'm done. I took 40 cents out of the market. By 9:42, I took 42 cents. I took 40 cents. I took a 2 cent loss. I actually took 42 cents the first trade, but then I took a 2 cent loss, and that's basically how it broke down today. And as you guys could see, Mike also took a small loss on the false breakout, which was the second entry. So now, but he did end up green. He did end up green. So now check this out. This is the chart. And basically, as you can see, ESKO, we're waiting for go time. This is go time. This green line right here is go time. Boom. Once it hits go time, I'm in. And boom, it skyrockets, and I'm taking profits there. As you can see, it went a little bit higher. So now I'm waiting for this pullback. These are the pullbacks that I was telling you guys about. And then I entered here. It popped up a little bit, came down on me, so I sold there. So I got in here, and I sold there. So that's basically what I do every single day. And as you could see, I jumped in at 596. I got out at 638. I took 42 cents. And then I jumped in at 621, which was right around here. And then I took a 2-cent loss there because it came down on me pretty quick. So I got out and I took 40 cents total. I'm typically buying 3,000 shares at a time. So as you can see, I ended up with $1,200. And this is 11 minutes worth of my time. Now I have the rest of the day to go do whatever I want to do. And for me, this is all about time freedom. Time freedom was the most important thing to me. I didn't want to work for someone else for 8 to 10 hours. And you know, when they say 8 hours, it's not really 8 hours, because you gotta get up 2 hours before work, and then you gotta drive home in rush hour. Sometimes rush hour is like an hour to 2 hours. So who knows? So it's not really a 8 hour. It's not really a 9 to 5. It's more than 9 to 5 if you really think about it. And then you got to go home and cook. This is all time taken away from you. That's what I didn't want in my life. I didn't want to be on that 9 to 5 schedule, which is actually more than 9 to 5, and then coming home and being all tired, and then having to just eat and then go to sleep, and then all of a sudden got to do the same thing again the next day. I never wanted that kind of a routine for myself. I'd rather have this routine where I can just jump into trades, capitalize, and then go do what I want for the rest of the day. This only took 11 minutes to do. 11 minutes. Each candle is 1 minute. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now let's say you do want to include the 920 from the 920. So 11 plus 11 minutes plus the 920. I mean, what, 21 minutes? So what? I spend 21 minutes out of my day making this, and then I'm done for the day. How many people do you know that work for one day, a whole 8 hours, that makes more than this? Not too many. Obviously, we don't make this every day, but some days I make way more, and some days I make a little bit less. But on the average, that's pretty much what we're bringing in. We're trying to take 35 to 45 cents out of the market every single day, and that's what I aim for, 35 to 45 cents. You should be just fine. All right, guys, I'm not going to make this one long, so I hope you guys get the idea. If you guys choose to learn how to do this, hit me up. If you don't, I mean, that's on you. You know, time freedom for me is important, so that's why I chose to learn. To do what I do. So I'll chat with you guys another day. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like and share this video also. All right, I'll chat with you guys next time.